Okay, instead of installing Nikto from the Ubuntu repository, I'm going to download it from Git with git clone github.com/github.com/sullo/Nikto. And if you don't have Git, you can install it with sudo apt install git-y. This should give me the most current version. So we can do our git command again. Once it's all downloaded, cd nikto/program. Okay, then we can check the version by typing ./nikto.pl-V. Then we can scroll up, and the main version is 2.1.6. Now I want to check my Pi-hole DNS server by typing ./nikto.pl-h for host and the IP address of my Pi-hole DNS server. And it also has a light PD web server on it. And it's telling me the anti-clickjacking options header is not present. The X content type options header is not set. And that my admin/login for Pi-hole may have a username of test and a password of test. So those are 3 things I'm going to have to check out. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.